hit that first and second target. And I'd mentioned CPE, Callon Petroleum, as my previous video is a potential short trade idea if we broke across that primary trend line off the Corona crash lows here. Plenty of reaction validated. We had huge divergences building and building and building. It's bearish on oil. I didn't like the way oil was looking as far as even fundamental on their fundamental case. China's even talking about locking up Beijing. The Asian markets really took a hit yesterday, and alongside the huge surge in bigger surge in COVID deaths, the lockdown started. They started to issue lockdown all of Shanghai, and now they're debating whether to lock down Beijing. It's 2020 all over again over there, just like here up in March. So again, with the huge increase in cases in the lockdown on a huge economic exporting nation, you're gonna seize demand for oil. And again, I remained bearish on oil as far as the charts had printed out, and snapped, issued a sell signal here, and briefly went right back into that trading range, and briefly bounced right off of that, almost near close to that 200-day moving average, which I said would coincide with that 49.04 price support. And that was good for a 13.65% drop. And we'll see where it goes from there. Great spot to go long if you're able to do a day scalp, therefore 7.6% pop, coinciding with that 200-day moving average. You can start to scale in a little bit here and there and set some stops below here, and boom, hit that up to the upside. So again, we'll see oil. Oil's really got both arms stretched on both sides. You got the Russian sanctions, which should increase the price of oil. At the same time, you have Shanghai and Beijing locking down, crushing demand. So oil's going to be I believe in a consolidation phase. It's going to be really hard to predict where the price of oil goes, but as for now, this is a solid, nice breakdown for CPE, and huge negative divergence is still intact. Now got that crossover in the MACD and oscillator, and we'll see if they start to gun down below its zero line, and I would suspect a huge takeout of that 49.04 price support. I ought to say would do the trick and bring you down here to that 42.29 and as far as the next target goes. But that'll be a pretty nice inflection point for a solid price support level at that 49.04, and coincidingly you will take out that 200-day moving average, and things could start to go down